Walking down to get her bike. We'll get me recorded from both sides here.
Yeah, I'm pretty famous, y'all.
I rolled my best today because maybe I'll get cold. I don't know. I'm being like Momma today.
Well, we're used to the 90s now. You know, your blood gets used to 90s and then it drops down into the 50s and 60s.
Yeah.
I mean, this is low 60 right now, y'all.
61. Yeah. Hello, everyone. Papa Blue Shirt here. We're going to go on a ride today. It's cold. 61 after having 90s. It's a big change. So we'll see how this goes today. We'll get started now. Yeah, I'm riding here. Really windy and it's 60 degrees. It's cold out here. I don't know how far we're going to go today. Got a feeling Mama ain't going to want to go very far today. I didn't put my earmuffs on. It's cold. After you have 90 degrees, you get out here and it gets really cold. Mama's lagging. I don't think she's going to go nowhere today. Probably too cold for her. Turn around and see here. Yeah, it was too cold for Mama. She's going to ride up and down this road so she can turn around and ride with the wind once in a while. It is cold. When you're used to 90 degrees now, it'll be 90 again at the end of this week. So when you're used to that, when it drops down, it's like, whoa, it's cold.
You're cold? You're very cold?
But we'll see if we can get 8 or 10 miles today. It is cold out here. I know it's not cold like wintertime, but I'm not used to this anymore. Trying to ride hard so I can warm up a little bit. Yeah, I'm starting to warm up a little bit into it, except my feet. My feet are cold. Guys, I have my sandals on because I've been trying to keep my feet cool when I ride.
Well, let's get those sandals flip-flopping.
Yeah, I've become who I used to make fun of. Back when I was a kid, I thought, those guys that wear sandals are kind of weird. They look goofy. But you get to an age that you don't really care. Make someone smile, so be it. A couple of turkey vultures. Make someone smile, so be it. I brought a smile to someone's face today. That makes my feet a bit nice and cool. But today they're a little bit too cool. Yeah, no matter what I would do, it seemed like I couldn't keep my feet from stop my feet from sweating. So I started going to open-toed and shoes that let the air blow through. Even bought me some toe socks. And it does help when it's really hot. It does help so your feet don't sweat as much. Okay, now the wind's mostly at my back. This is better. Should be mostly at my back the rest of the way home. This won't be too bad now. About 4 miles left and I'll be home. Big tree fell down over there. Being chased by a dog again. Wild animals. It's still cold out here though. There he is. dog comes down, chases me like a enemy of the state or something. And he was kind of laying down, so he missed me. But I come up on an Amish guy on a horse, and the horse was kind of spooky. So I stayed behind him until he saw me. He said sorry for taking him the road. I said, hey, no problem, just a scary horse. I would have recorded him, but they don't like to be recorded, so. I have my one on my head, they don't know if I'm being recorded or not, but I didn't have it on today. There's where we ended up here. 462, add 7,000 on there. Well, there we go. Windy day. Been about 13.5 miles. It's cold, cold, cold. Well, thanks for riding with me today. Got it in anyways. Got to do it. That makes you appreciate those really warm days. Alrighty, this is Papa Blue Shirt. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And may the good Lord take a liking to you.
May the good Lord take a liking to you. Hallelujah. May He spread His blessings on your trail. Hallelujah. May He be your guide anywhere you ride, and be always your host when you're needing Him most. May the good Lord take a liking.